Hey guys, Timo the Hobo here, still on the road. Like I told you last time, I'm on my way to the surf instructor course in Lagos, and I'm right now almost there. So I'm really stoked and excited for my apartment. I'm really looking forward for a warm shower. That will be cool. And also having a toilet next to me. So let's see how it looks. So this is my new room for the next 10 days. I even have a fucking toilet. And here goes out to the swimming pool. So the surf instructor course and the lifesaver course from Austrian Surfing were really cool. I had a blast of a time. I met some really cool people, really good surfers, and I was able to film a lot surfing, so I was really happy. First I wanted to do a little after movie of the surf instructor course, but I was thinking I will split this up for a little impression about the surf instructor course and a little surf edit with the best footage I've had from the free surf and also from the surf assessments. So yeah, let's watch first a little bit of impressions during the surf instructor course. Yeah. The surf instructor course was a little bit improvised. Normally it would be more at the beach, but because of the coronavirus it was more in the surf experience. That was this surf camp that we've been to. We still went a lot of time to the beach, mostly on our own time, and that's when I filmed those surfing movies. And because there was so much of the surfing footage, I was thinking about doing this little surf edit here. Have fun! was my first surf edit, and I was really stoked to edit it because it's actually a point on my bucket list to edit a surf movie. I also have to thank a lot to Mathieu because he made the music. His guitar playing was so cool during all the surf instructor course, and I thought I need to use it for this little surf edit. Yeah, I was now for 2 months in Portugal. That's like the longest stay in one country on my journey yet, and I have to say I loved it. Unfortunately, I didn't really learn any Portuguese, but I learned how to eat tons of pastéis de nata, and I learned all the surf spots here in Portugal. So next stop is Huelva in Spain. That's where I'm right now cruising to. From there I will take a ferry to Gran Canaria. What did I want to say? See you next time, guys. Bye. If you like this video, press the subscribe button, like the video and share it. Beginn zu filmen. Wenn du wieder drauf drückst.